Ever notice how life feels more chaotic when you're out of your routine? It's like everything is just a little harder and anxiety creeps in more easily. But what if you could use routine as a powerful tool to bring stability and calm back into your life? In today's video, we're exploring how establishing simple daily routines can help you reduce anxiety and feel more in control. Let's jump right in. You might find that the key to managing your stress is simpler than you think. 1. Why routine matters. Routines might sound mundane, but they're actually one of the most powerful tools you can use to manage anxiety. When you have a routine, your brain knows what to expect, which reduces the amount of uncertainty you face each day. This predictability can be incredibly soothing, especially if you're someone who deals with anxiety regularly. When life feels unpredictable, your anxiety can spike. That's because our brains crave stability and order. A routine provides a framework that helps your brain relax. It's like giving your mind a roadmap for the day. When you know what's coming next, there's less room for worry. Routines also help conserve mental energy. Every time you make a decision, you use up a little bit of your brain's resources. By automating parts of your day with a routine, you free up mental space for more important things, like solving problems or being creative. This can help reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed, which is often a trigger for anxiety. 2. Creating a morning routine. Let's start with the beginning of your day. How you start your morning can set the tone for the rest of the day. Here are some steps to create a morning routine that helps reduce anxiety. 1. Wake up at the same time each day. Consistency is key when it comes to routine. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to wake up and fall asleep. This consistent sleep schedule can improve your overall mood and reduce anxiety. 2. Start with mindfulness or meditation. Before diving into your day, take a few minutes for mindfulness or meditation. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can simply focus on your breathing or use a guided meditation app. Starting your day with a calm, focused mind can help you handle stress more effectively as the day goes on. 3. Plan your day. Take a few minutes to plan out your day. This could be as simple as writing down your top 3 priorities or going over your schedule. Knowing what you need to accomplish can help you feel more in control and reduce the anxiety that comes from feeling unprepared or overwhelmed. 4. Eat a healthy breakfast. What you eat in the morning can affect your mood for the rest of the day. Aim for a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination will keep your blood sugar stable and provide you with steady energy, helping to ward off mood swings and anxiety. 3. Building an effective work routine. Once your morning is off to a good start, it's important to maintain that momentum throughout the day. Here's how you can create a work routine that helps keep anxiety in check. 1. Prioritize your tasks. Start your workday by reviewing your to-do list and prioritizing tasks. Focus on the most important or time-sensitive tasks first. Breaking your work into manageable chunks can make it feel less overwhelming and help you stay focused. 2. Take regular breaks. It's easy to get caught up in work and forget to take breaks, but this can lead to burnout and increased anxiety. Try using the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Regular breaks can help keep your mind fresh and reduce stress. 3. Limit distractions. Distractions can increase your stress levels, especially if they cause you to fall behind on your work. Create a workspace that minimizes distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Close unrelated tabs and let others know when you're focusing. 4. Set boundaries. If you're working from home, it can be hard to separate work from personal life. Set clear boundaries for when your workday starts and ends. This helps prevent work from bleeding into your personal time, which can contribute to anxiety. 4. Evening routines for better sleep and less anxiety. Your evening routine is just as important as your morning routine when it comes to managing anxiety. A good evening routine can help you unwind, prepare for restful sleep, and set you up for a successful next day. 1. Wind down with relaxing activities. Start winding down at least an hour before bed. Engage in relaxing activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. Avoid screens during this time, as the blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. 2. Reflect on your day. Take a few minutes to reflect on your day. You can do this by journaling or simply thinking about what went well and what you could improve. Reflecting on your day helps you process any lingering emotions and clear your mind before bed. 3. Practice gratitude. End your day on a positive note by practicing gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Practicing gratitude has been shown to improve mood and reduce anxiety by shifting your focus away from worries and onto the positive aspects of your life. 4. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Just like waking up at the same time every day, going to bed at the same time helps regulate your body's internal clock. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Consistent sleep improves mood, reduces anxiety, and helps you wake up feeling refreshed. 5. Long-term benefits of a routine. Now that you have an idea of how to structure your day, let's talk about the long-term benefits of sticking to a routine. 1. Improve mental clarity. When your day is structured, your mind is clearer. You spend less time worrying about what to do next and more time actually getting things done. This mental clarity can reduce feelings of being overwhelmed, which is a common trigger for anxiety. 2. Enhance productivity. A well-structured routine makes it easier to stay on track with your goals. When you know what needs to be done and when, you're more likely to accomplish your tasks. This productivity boost can give you a sense of achievement, which is great for your mental health. 3. Better stress management. Routines help you manage stress by giving you a sense of control. When you're following a routine, you know what to expect, and this predictability can make it easier to cope with life's challenges. Over time, you may find that you're less reactive to stress and better equipped to handle anxiety. 4. Stronger self-discipline. Sticking to a routine builds self-discipline. The more you practice consistency, the easier it becomes to maintain healthy habits. This self-discipline extends beyond your daily routine and can positively impact other areas of your life, like your diet, exercise, and even your relationships. 5. Greater sense of stability. Finally, a routine provides a sense of stability that's crucial for managing anxiety. Life is full of uncertainties, but having a routine can anchor you and give you something to rely on. This stability can make a big difference in how you handle anxiety over the long term. Routines might seem simple, but they hold incredible power when it comes to managing anxiety. By creating stability in your day, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, and improve your overall mental health. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about finding what works for you and making it a regular part of your life. Start small, be patient with yourself, and watch how the power of routine can transform your life. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing anxiety and improving mental health. And if you have any routines or tips that help you stay grounded, share them in the comments below. Let's create a community that supports each other in building healthier, more balanced lives.